Today is a major day for Ripple, for XRP, and we are going to see something that we have been waiting for take place. Do want to talk about that in this video. Want to mention some news from earlier in the day, which is very exciting. XRP pushing a breakout right now, and we are actually getting into squeeze territory. This could be a lot of fun as we get through the last half of our week here. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Didn't get a chance to talk about XRP yesterday. I was actually busy for really all of the day. I was actually doing some golfing a couple hours away, so didn't have much of a chance to get in front of a computer or even a phone for that matter. But what we did yesterday was good. We had a green day for XRP. We were still pushing this 20-day moving average, and right now we are in fact breaching that. We're at about $3.07. It's just after 6 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time, and we're waiting for the market to digest the news from earlier in the day, and it is some big news. And what this news is that Donald Trump is going to be signing an executive order to allow cryptocurrencies to enter 401k retirement plans. This is a huge deal. And I think that the assets that are probably going to benefit from this the most are those US based assets. Again, we're talking about XRP, we're talking about ADA, XLM, HBAR, Algo. All right. That has been, like I've said many times before, the assets that will lead us into the early part of this next alt season. So that's definitely something to watch and wait for. And maybe the market wakes up and goes absolutely berserk today. I don't know. Right. It's still before US money wakes up. And again, right now we've kind of entered this territory where things are a bit squeezy. BTC is actually pushed into some of these lower ranges of consolidated leverage above here. Again, short positions just getting absolutely wrecked this morning. Not in a major way, but those who have been liquidated got shot through in like a few minutes. Okay, I actually took a shower, got out of the shower. Price had already jumped a significant amount. BTC jumped from basically this 15.5 range to about 16.5. Okay, now XRP getting into some of those leverage liquidations as well. You guys can see all this consolidation of or concentration of leverage above here, and this is where where XRP can once again see some very quick pops take place. We could be talking about XRP going on a run back up to $3.25, $3.30 in the matter of a day. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice. Nobody knows what's going to happen for sure. One thing I did want to show you guys is this XRP BTC chart is still fighting its 20-day moving average as well. So this is all working towards a nice sizable breakout. And maybe today is the day where we can get enough oomph in the crypto market because of this news from this morning, but also because of this. The SEC is expected to deliberate on Ripple's decision to withdraw its appeal August 7th. So that's today. Will this finally put the XRP case to rest? Now, if you guys remember, we were talking about this deadline of August 15th, where the SEC has to make this decision on whether they are going to withdraw their appeal or not. They have not done that yet. So those discussions are supposedly going to be taking place today. And this could obviously breathe the sign of life into XRP. Again, it feels like we've gotten into these periods of really a lot of excitement surrounding the Ripple v SEC case, and then waiting. And then a big burst of news, waiting. And what we've been waiting for is finally the conclusion of all this crap to be over, these 5 years of legal battle to finally be done. Now, I think it's understood that both sides want to just be done with it, just want to get through everything and just move on to the next phase where the SEC can obviously embrace crypto and help actually protect investors, not in the way that they have allegedly done in the last several years. And obviously, Ripple wants to make some pretty big steps forward here at home too. Again, once this is concluded, you can very much see the expansion of U.S. partners using XRP Ledger, RippleNet, cross-border payment settlement, and much more. When we again get back to that discussion about Ripple possibly replacing SWIFT for the payment systems here in the U.S., this is how that takes place. We have to get over this final hurdle and get on that straightaway and cross the finish line. Okay, that's what we're running towards. So we'll see what the day brings. Hopefully a lot of excitement, hopefully a lot of good price performance, especially for XRP and others. But I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.